Good day to you. This is Strock once again. Going to talk to you about blending mode and how it works and various definitions. We're going to be covering two particular blending modes later on. That's multiply and linear dodge. You'll find out why I'm covering those two. They're the most commonly used. The blending mode in Photoshop is located right over here, as you can see right here. It's also located on your thumbnail parts of your layers in Photoshop. If I double click on this, you'll see it says multiply. That's a blend mode. Go down here to diffuse, double click, and it's linear dodge, which is an additive. We'll discuss that a little bit later, what that means. If you go down to background and click on it, you notice that the blending mode is grayed out, and let me show you why. Because it's in normal mode. I made a copy of it. If you make a copy of something in normal mode, you'll be able to double click and you can see that it's in normal mode. The reason why it's grayed out on the regular background because it has no blending mode options to progress. The same thing with this image, which comes from Carrara multipass rendering. If I double click it, all it says is layer 0. It doesn't, in the mode is given here. You can also change it by double clicking here, or you can go to the copy and change it here. This is Photoshop CS3 extended version, so depending on your version might be a little bit different. Now you notice that the shadow layer had multiply and the diffuse layer had linear dodge. I'm going to stop the recording on this and we'll go into the next set of slides. Alright, back here again. Before we go on to the next set of slides, I wanted to correct and add some information. You can find blending modes in 3 different places. I think you saw that. I kind of forgot myself, but let me go over that once again. One place is right here in the layers palette. On the CS3 version, if you double click, you can find it right here. And on this image layer where it's grayed out because it's only in normal mode, you double click, you can find blending modes right here. So that's 3 different places. It's in the here, blending options are here. You also got advanced blending. This is for a later tutorial. All sorts of options here. And you can blend in gray, red, green, blue, channels, all sorts of options. And also here. I hope that was a little more clear, and we'll press on to the next slides. Rock back once again, and we're going to talk about blending modes. Here you see a strange graphic. Kind of take note of what it is. It'll become clear later when I add some layers, overlays to it. You have black, red circle, a yellow circle, green, blue, kind of a flesh colored, another yellow circle, and you can see that this red circle is transparent. It's 50% transparent, and you can see how it affects the underlying graphics. This will become apparent when I discuss the two blending modes we're going to talk about, mostly in linear dodge, as transparency is affected, and in multiply where it is not affected as much. There are exceptions, but I'll point it out.